So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am joining the wire of CCTV IP camera. So I will show you. Guys, this is color code: blue white, orange white, brown white, orange white, brown white, blue white, green white. So I am joined the wire. The camera will get turned on. Before I am joining wire, the camera will turn off. I am joined the wire and the camera will get on. So see, and now I am taping the wire. So guys, I am taped all the wire. I am taping all the wire. You see, to protect from short circuit of wires. This is my color codes. And my camera will getting turned on. See the light blinking. And I will show you guys. This is my screwdriver, and I am fixing the camera right now. So I will show you. I am in upside. I am at upside. So this is my camera, guys. I am fixing. This is my screw, and this is camera of 5MP. So guys, finally I have fitted the camera. So today my work is maintenance. I came for maintenance at school in Arsul. Okay, I am in upside right now in chair. So guys, this is my camera. The camera will get turned on when I am joined the wire. So you can see, and this is my all setup. This is NVR, PoE switch, and extend the and another